Hi beautifuls, I'm Tiffany, also known as Naturally Chic, where we believe that chic is simply how you construct classy, so we're going to do it naturally. So I have the Pochette Matisse, and I saw the smaller one. I think it's the nano in the store, but I just didn't want to pay that price because it was not a nano price. And so I went on a hunt to find a budget bougie on a budget friendly bag, and I found one. So we're going to unbox her together and get my opinion. If you want to see the bag, keep watching. So here is the bag. It did not come in a box. I'm okay with it because I have plenty of boxes, and boxes take up space. But it did come in this nice little dust bag. You all tell me, have you seen this bag? I wanted it. See, it's like the smaller version of the Petite. And when I tell you, straight out, this bag is heavy. It's heavy. It's weighted, so you know it's not cheap. I want to say I paid $180 something, so it was less than $200, which is about 10% of the original. It has the zipper pocket on the back. So if you have the Pochette Matisse, then you know this is just a smaller version. I have two. I have the one that's the monogram, and then I have the dual. It's like the monogram at the bottom, and then the top is the lighter. So I have that. Take some of this packaging off. And I know I am going to get my olive oil because I want to see if this will patina. So my hack that I do, if they don't patina, then what I do is I will just get one of the scarves and I cover it up and keep it moving. So this one does have all the plastic and all that on it. I'll take a loose later, and then I want to see if this patinas. So this is her up close. You can see that there is the LV on the grommets on the side. Let me see. This is the side. The stitching looks pretty good. This is the side. Here's the stitching. This is she. So how you open up is you just clamp it together. When I say that this one is nice, this clamp is nice because sometimes it is hard to open these. So this one opens right up. So that's a very good quality. It has the chain in here and the strap. The chain looks like it may be the gold. And the chain is heavy. So this is the chain, which I like. But the chain is has a nice weight to it. It does have the adjustable strap, which if you want to wear a crossbody, you can. It does have the LV on the grommets. And also on the handle, it is in this blue. So that it doesn't mess up. But all that takes forever to take off, so I'm not. But I love the fact that it does have the adjustable strap for you. So, especially with this bag, I wouldn't mind wearing it crossbody. And it just snaps. So if you want to extend it or make it shorter, just go on your shoulder, you can do that as well. So in here, let's take all this out. It has your care booklet that's in here. Let's look in the inside. It does have your LV Paris, made in France, right here. That's your zipper pocket. Let me see. With ease. Pocket right here, and in the back. This is very nice quality. I can say what you can do if you want to add some shine. There is, I want to say I get it from off of Amazon. I'll try to link it. But if you want to add a little shine or just clean your coat of the bag, of the canvas, there is a shine that I use, that I get off of Amazon, that I use on my bags or my real and my authentic, and you know. But this is just a gorgeous bag. I had to share it with you. This is the material. This is how she sounds. Super good. So if you all want to know the link, I will leave right here who I purchased it from an Instagram seller, but I went through her WhatsApp. So this was super quick. I ordered it, I want to say last Tuesday or last Wednesday, and she got here today, which is Tuesday. So a week or less than a week she was here. So I'm sure if you ordered her on Monday, she would be here on Friday. So she was super quick, super helpful. She showed me the pictures before. When she told me when she would be sending them out, it came FedEx, and she also gave me the tracking number, so I was able to track it. Because it's the holidays, people are crazy, and I just went downstairs and she was there. So this is going to be one of my bags that it's going to be in heavy rotation, especially for crossbody. So here she is again. Looking forward to her after I take all the plastic off. But if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the LV Nano. I want to say it's called the Nano, the Pochette Matisse Nano. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll try to link the seller in the description box. And until the next video, you all take care and be blessed. I just enjoy